The smartest hikers often turn back before they even leave the driveway. Here is the exact checklist to decide if you launch or abort. Many beginners confuse general fitness with trail readiness. Walking around your neighborhood is fundamentally different from navigating uneven terrain with a loaded pack, even for short distances. Before you commit, evaluate your physical baseline. You don't need to be an athlete, but you must meet these minimum functional requirements to ensure you can get back to the car safely. Next is the gear trap. You do not need expensive equipment, but you absolutely cannot hike in jeans or flip-flops. Your clothing must keep you warm even if it gets wet, and your shoes must have grip. Navigation is where most beginners fail. If your battery dies, do you disappear? You need a reliable plan that works without cell service, including a hard stop time for turning around. Check the weather specifically for the trail location, not the nearest city. Mountains create their own microclimates. A sunny day in town can mean high winds and temperature drops at just 1,000 feet of elevation. This is the ghost protocol check. If you twist an ankle and cannot walk out, does anyone know where to look? If the answer is no, the hike is a no-go. Solo hiking requires a safety contact. Finally, listen to your gut. Nervousness is normal, but dread is a warning. If you feel rushed, unprepared, or confused about the route, delaying the hike is the mark of an experienced mindset, not a failure. Here is your final decision matrix. If you can confidently check every single box in the go column, you are ready. If you miss even one, take a week to prepare. The trail isn't going anywhere. The mountain will wait. Ensure you are ready first.